Today we are driving around in our back streets, finding places where it looks so beautiful to drone around. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. Here's our drone, ready to go. And here's the pilot. want to see something interesting, maybe even funny, you're probably going to wonder what the hell is going on in Nastaransart's household. Let me turn the camera. Nothing kinky is going on in this house. But we did decide to do away with our Posh business, which is, clothing, selling clothing online. Mannequins were a part of it. We had 3 mannequins. 2 are already sold, but this one got rejected from Facebook Marketplace because they said it is against the rules. We do not allow sale of adult toys. It's not an adult toy. It is just a mannequin. But let me turn the camera around so you can see it. Her name is Cassandra, and she's helped us a lot in our clothing business. Thank you so much for everything you did. And she's up for sale. Somebody was supposed to come pick it up yesterday, but they didn't. Good morning to you again. I've been in San Diego for a little bit. There's a chill in the air and I'm really enjoying it. It's always nice when you are done with that really hot part of summer. The air starts to get a little colder and you feel like it's almost time to put a sweater on. It just feels good to have that change of season. We don't get that in Hawaii, but when I do get back in San Diego, I'm always enjoying it. So I haven't been really filming much. Here is the reason. When I started this YouTube channel, I had really no experience in filming other than shooting something on my iPhone, and that's not really, YouTubing. So I've been trying to teach myself, and I thought all was going well until I ran out of storage. There was no more room in my phone. There was no more room on my iPad, and I was like, what am I gonna do? So I thought maybe a laptop with a large capacity would be awesome. Not in my case. No, it wasn't. So we purchased a laptop, a MacBook with large amount of storage in it, but it was anything but easy. God, I watched so many tutorials on it and I worked so hard to make it work, but I just couldn't. Maybe I have a learning disability, I don't know, but it just seems like, okay, you spend the money and you buy something this wonderful and it's supposed to make your life a lot easier, wouldn't you think? But no, I was about to throw that thing out the window. It was so hard. You would think that, you go in there and you want to transfer your footage into your pictures. But then, no, that's not how it goes. It goes to files, and files are categorized this way and that way, and maybe it's just me. So I'm back to square one again. I'm not gonna bore you, but I'm trying to figure out other ways to deal with my storage. But I feel like with that out of my hair, I returned it. Now I can get back to normal life. Today's Saturday and we're gonna have a solar eclipse. I'm gonna set my camera to do that while I clean my messed up house. We are saying goodbye to our online Poshmark business and have to get rid of our inventory of clothing. So we decided to have a garage sale. We told our friends to come by and take whatever they liked free of charge. On the day of the garage sale, we got so lucky that a lady and her husband, who were just starting their own clothing business, came by and gave us an offer we couldn't refuse. So the majority of the clothes were sold to this one individual family. But we also had so many other people who came by and purchased the rest of the stuff. Whatever we didn't sell, we donated to our local thrift store at the end. It's been a while since I painted anything, so I was looking at my unfinished painted rocks and decided to finish this witch painting I've been working on since before Halloween. I hope you like the finished version.
In the morning with someone new, I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
One of the things I learned growing up was sewing by hand, because girls in my culture were basically in training to be good wives when they get married. So I have these two skirts that are too big for me and need to be taken in. Since I don't own a sewing machine and I have no clue how to use one, I'm gonna tackle it by hand. What do you think? So, remember how baggy it was? I am happy with the way it turned out. The second one. What do you think about this? So, it's not perfect like a sewing machine, but it did the job. About to make chili tonight, and I realized I don't have any pinto beans. I use several different kinds of beans, but pinto beans is like the basic ingredient, so I hate it when I run out of something. I am so good about keeping an inventory in my pantry, but oh well, it happens. Making chili takes a little bit of a time, so I'm getting a late start and it's making me nervous. It will still be done.
La la ya, la ya, la ya, la la la, la ya, la ya. Sua mãe me ligou contando uma história que a chuva levou todo equipamento.
One word of advice: after you cut the pepper, wash your hands. I didn't, and my lips are burning. Whoa, so much. I'll be fine, but I thought if I can save somebody from this agony, I should.
Se não sei o que fazer, vem pra cá. Bota ela no avião.
Something I do that makes my life so much easier, and I hope it makes your life easier too, is I buy peeled garlic in large amounts from Costco, and I put them in the food processor, and I process them and I chop them up into tiny little granules and I freeze them. When it's frozen, then I smash it up into little pieces, and every time I cook, I just grab one of those. It's already done, it's not gonna go bad, and it's just so easy. So here is the bag I'm currently using. As you can see, they're chopped up in little pieces. And when I need it, for example, doing the chili, I just use a couple of pieces like this, throw it in, done. No peeling, no chopping, none of that.
Amanhã você se serve, pega o que quiser. A noite caiu tomando meu vinho.
I usually use beef to make chili, but this time I decided to use turkey meat. Man, it has so much like juice or water in it. It took a long time for it to evaporate. But I'm ready to add the next ingredients, which are tomatoes and the beans and all the other goodies. Black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans,
vai descobrir.